In professional motorsports, a fraction of a second is the difference between a podium finish and a critical failure. Speed on the track relies on exact preparation in the paddock. As a trackside liaison for the Hankook Tire Academy, you are the link between our engineering and the racing teams. Your training covers 3 objectives: understanding the company's legacy, mastering the physical specifications of our F3 and F4 tires, and executing the Trackside service protocol. Precision in the pit lane enables speed on the circuit. When your setup is accurate, the teams have the data they need to pursue a victory. This image shows our original manufacturing facilities. To represent the brand effectively, you need to know where it began. We were established in 1941, originally operating as the Chosun Tire Company, which translates to beautiful morning. In 1968, we became Hankook, which literally means Korea. That foundation grew into a global network. Today, we manage 7 production sites and 5 R&D centers distributed across the globe. That industrial scale has made us the 7th largest tire company in the world by overall sales. We apply that manufacturing capacity to elite motorsports, supplying purpose-built tires for Formula E, Le Mans, and Super GT. This background gives you the context needed to speak with drivers and mechanics. Understanding the company's scale provides a basis for the technical authority you need in the paddock. Now we look at the specific physical equipment used for our F3 and F4 racing partnerships. Your primary asset is the F200. This is a single-seater slick designed for dry conditions. Its profile is built to maximize block stiffness, providing precise cornering ability at high speeds. The Z207 is our dedicated wet circuit tire. It features grooved drainage patterns built specifically to prevent hydroplaning and maintain stability when the track surface is saturated. Weather conditions at a circuit can shift in minutes. Identifying these profiles correctly ensures you supply the appropriate tire compound for the current track state. This is a view of our side-by-side technical data sheets. You must navigate these documents to advise teams on their setups accurately. On the F200 slick sheet, find the 230 by 560 R13 column. Here, the optimum rim size for measuring is exactly 8.5 inches. For recommended inflation, the cold target is 1.1 to 1.2 bar, and the hot pressure is 1.5 to 1.6 bar. Confusing these 2 metrics will change the car's handling dynamics and tire wear. You are responsible for ensuring the mechanics use the correct target for their current temperature state. Once you understand the tires and the data, you will manage the physical exchange of wheels at the trackside fitting area using 6 specific rules. Rule 1. Before you accept a wheel, it must be cleaned and the team must remove all existing weights and valve stems. Rule 2. Check that the team's name and car number are visible directly on the wheel to prevent inventory errors in the fitting bay. Rule 3 covers billing. Teams are charged a $25 fitting fee for every single tire mounted at the track. For recycling, add a $5 charge per tire. Rule 4 requires a team representative's signature on the receipt before the transaction is complete. Enforcing these preparation rules and fee structures prevents delays in the fitting bay and keeps the trackside operation running efficiently. You have now covered the full training scope, from our manufacturing history to the logistics of the modern trackside tent. You can now identify dry slicks and wet profiles, and you know how to extract the exact hot and cold inflation targets required by the teams. On the operational side, you now know to require well-marked, prepped wheels and to secure signed receipts for all services. Following these technical specs and procedures allows you to manage the paddock with the same level of accuracy that the teams apply to the race itself. Your training is complete. You are ready to represent Hankook in the paddock on race day.